Named entity recognition involves searching for named entities from text. Named entities can be any word or phrase that can be used to identify an object in a text. For example, in this sentence, biopsy is a named entity. For the purpose of finding named entities, I have used spaCy, which is a free and open source Python library for natural language processing. spaCy allows for named entity recognition via two approaches, a rules-based approach and a machine learning approach. As I am not using a very large data set, and I have adopted the rules-based approach. Rules-based approach means that one has to specifically write what constitutes a named entity. Rules-based approach can be used when the number of variations to a named entity are limited or when the dataset is small. So first I have imported spaCy, and then in the second line I have loaded the small English model. There are three more models, the medium model, the large model, and the transformer model, but as my dataset is small, I'm using the small model. Now using the entity ruler, custom labels can be made for the named entities in a text, and these rules can be added to the spaCy pipeline. I have made mtest as the custom label for biopsy and doc as the custom label for interventional radiologist and cardiologist. And when I run the code, it will give results like this.